Alright, Davin here from the Oddman Podcast at the Rotterdam Festival with none other than Skip Marley, the General. Young man, but an inspiration to me as well. Recently I just started this podcast journey. I know I don't have a lot of time, so I want to maximize on the 3 minutes I have with you. As a young creative coming up, what kind of advice would you give to me? 9 months in, struggling, still up on the battlefield, just to start out.
Perfect practice needs perfect. You have to keep going. Because people are going to tell you from all sides, so this and that and that and this. Yeah, you have to know the sense from the nonsense.
Yeah.
And you have to take away what's beneficial to you and what is not beneficial to you. You have to let go. You know what I mean? Because you're saying conscious or your mental state too.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Well, how you decide for that? How you decide what is beneficial and what is not? That are the struggles.
You just have to always keep in touch with your heart. I know where your heart say. I know where your heart want to do. You know what I mean? Yeah, because you can't, there's voices, that voice, but you have to know your voice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I respect that.
Yeah.
Thank you for that.
Yeah, man.
But next question that I have for you is I know you do these interviews a lot and you get a lot of generic questions. What do you want to say to the world that you don't normally say in interviews?
Well, me always say to the world,
Yeah.
man, love and unity, togetherness, too much separation, more consciousness, more elevation, more love, more unity. Right, this time, enough distraction they make for man, So we have to keep in touch with reality and humanity. You know what I mean? Because you is me and I is you. Right?
Yeah, man.
Right. So we are all one. Right, unique. We're united by the same.
Love that. And now you're performing in Spain in Rotterdam.
Yeah.
Majority of the audience don't speak any English at all.
Yeah.
How do you, bring across a message to them?
To them, when you hear me out there speak Spanish,
Yeah, I hear the gracias.
So, the music, that's the thing about the music. It breaks down the barriers and walls and language, cultural differences. And, it's like, from the message, well, you understand the message.
Yeah.
So that is the beauty of the music. Because you don't even speak the language, but you know it's something you can sing. You understand?
Yeah.
That's a sweet thing.
I realize that it's infectious. Infectious to the Spanish audience.
Yeah, man.
Some of them, I live here,
Right.
So a lot of them come to me at times, speaking to me, even in practice.
Right. Surprise you.
Yeah, it's surprising.
But it's sweet. That's how you know the impact we have. Jamaica have on the world. And now people look on me.
Yeah.
So Jamaica always have to know, say, there's a responsibility and a duty we have to, persevere and stop. Destroy one another. Stop. Take time for the same time when you take for type and say anything like the same time you can do some positive and uplifting. You understand? The tracks, always, left and right.
I like that. You're saying that your music does preach the positivity. But there's this other side of Jamaica that sometimes you kind of gloss it over. There's this other side where they put out the negative music.
Yeah, you see?
The negative music. Do you think that the music has an influence on people in that regard?
Of course. Remember, music words are spelling. So when you can't say, careful what you can't say. Like you say, have careful what you say, careful what you hear nothing there, careful what you watch. The point, that's true.
Yeah, man. And for you, about you musically,
Yeah.
see that you do you can have a fusion quality.
Yeah, man, for my thing and everything.
Yeah.
Anything what influence me, inspire me, that's like, hear reggae music, I'm a huge, but it's like a tree, like a branch, that moves the you understand?
Yeah.
So you can't go listen to love all the attributes and go on you already. Like on the hip hop, the snare there or the hi hat, you understand?
Yeah.
Like take, like the rap, it's good thing, like this, got to me, it's Chinese, Middle Eastern thing, you understand? Every hit you, right?
Yeah, man. So, ultimately, where do you see your career, the peak or the climax of your career?
In the peak, it's world, it's the world, it's the message to the world, it's a consciousness, it's a liberty, Great music, God music, job music, so it's the world and twice over and over again, like you know, but we reach the right people, So now we come now and have a duty for do that and uplift that and uphold that. And take it to the next heights and next lane and next album. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Right.
Alright. Thank you for your time, man.
Yeah, man.
Thank you for sharing the positivity as well. Much respect. Much respect. And great performance as well.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah.
First time, you know.
Yeah,
First time in that Spain or around the top.
You kill it. You kill it. You kill it, man.